And what's different with the heater kit?
Rear vents.
Rear vents.
Rear heater vents.
You guys have been asking for it. Rear vents. Do you know where they're going?
I do not. Where the rear vents for the heater kit come out at? Do you know, Travis?
Where do they come out?
Yeah.
That's a good question. I don't know.
Where's Pat?
We'll find out on the rear
I'm
vents.
not 100% sure, sorry.
This one doesn't have the.
Down by your calf in the rear, guys. Very nice, very nice. Somewhere down in that space.
Down in this area.
Perfect.
There's like a little spot top part of the door, but you can dip out these windows, so that way the frames are stayed, and right on the same side or something, you can move it, and then it's really nice fit to
Did you see the light inside the back storage compartment?
No.
Have you sat in the back seat yet?
Yes. I'm 6'1" and I fit great. Oh, that's cool, guys.
PowerPoint.
USB, lighted. You still have the storage there as well with the soft touch point. Adjustable seat belts. You guys all love those. Rear sliding window.
How far out of the doors?
What's that?
How far out of the rear doors going to be?
I'm not 100% sure.
So the front doors for the full cabin closure are available immediately. The rear doors are available Q2 of 2025. We are taking pre-orders for those.
That's the new bus bar. That's the new bus bar. Yep. You got all the pigtails that you can plug into.
So you can still access this pretty easy. You just kind of have to flop it over.
Yeah. So you can see all these are plugged in, and those all go down to the switches inside. Power on them.
Batteries right there. That's nice.
And there is accessory and battery power, yes?
Correct. Yeah. You got options. Yeah. One side switch and one side constant power.
We all know the intake system's been great. Previous years, did it change at all?
Same as previous.
Awesome.
Yeah, you'll get a little more engine oil capacity and cooling capacity just since it's going all the way to the back, but otherwise everything else is essentially the same as RMAX 2000.
Satellite receiver,
For Adventure Pro. Yeah.
Adventure Pro.
GPS, yeah.
These are questions that I'm going to say. So I would say the top end of it's like 2, 4, 6. That's our budget down 4 down 2 years. It gives me some spots on there.
Yeah, when I like those guys, 2 miles away from the hotel.
When I landed, it was 99 degrees. Got here, it's like 30 degrees. Like 5 minutes.
That's going to be nice. And of course, big fine fashion, we're going to fasten these up, make it look really good.
Oh man, do we need to do a spot here?
We do need to do a spot.